Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on Polkadot crypto, which is performing quite well considering the hectic period of the crypto space right now. It is with all sorts of regulatory problems from Binance or Kraken side. We have a bunch of discussions which I'm pretty much sure you heard about. Today we're going to take care about a price action and discovering the language of the market of Polkadot. It is 24th of November 2023, aiming for the best informations. So at the moment, it sits pretty much evenly. I wouldn't say we're under a heavy pressure domination, but at the same time, I'm not able to tell you that we're in the same rally that we have been forcing for the past couple of weeks. Today, it is a different phase I'd like to share with you on the charts. At the same time, make sure to subscribe to my main channel. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to this one too, and have a good time, folks, including for those of you that value education. Make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching program with me, where I teach you how to trade and make you as a trader. It's a comprehensive coaching program in order to transform you into a professional trader. So you can have a free conversation with me about it and have a good time scheduling it by yourself on Calendly page. At the same time, we have our done for you trading. If you want to be part of it, no prior fee, only commission from the profits we have achieved, paid by you every 7 days. So let's talk about Polkadot, and we will share more details about those ones at the end of the video. This is the current situation, guys, with Polkadot, which is in a very interesting momentum. So just like I said, the rally, which started back in the day at $3.6 right there, pointing basically to the highest level at 62% price action increase, definitely not comparable with other altcoins that easily crossed 100%, and some of them even crossed 150%. We have quite a lot of the altcoins that went towards 120, 130% during this rally of 24 days. But at the same time, there are certain altcoins in the low category of performance where Polkadot is sitting, and unfortunately that's the reality, that sits around 60 to 70% increase for the past rally. Obviously, this is not the final movement, and it's nothing clear around any form of nowhere near to be under any form of heavy selling pressure. The only thing that we've been able to establish since the top has been made is a downtrending channel. This downtrending channel, I would say, is necessarily could come in as a bull flag pattern. The bull flag pattern looks like that, which is exactly how we have it on Polkadot right now, with a ability of a market continuation pattern that runs like that. So this specific swing high ends in a minor pullback and continues in the secondary swing high. It's not an Elliott impulse. It's not any form of comprehensive pattern. It's pretty simple and it used to work quite well. The only necessary thing is to break out of a few things in our case and confirm above them in order to retouch basically levels as golden pocket resistance around $6 up to $6.2, including the heavily overbought area at 6.5 where we're located right now. So there would be a rally into this, which is another 26%. After that rally, you can easily have a pullback basically and retest, and you can fly basically on a confirmation up to $7-8 for Polkadot. Having in mind the current situation with a downtrending channel, which is the reality, there's a few very clear confirmations of support which have been confirming. At the same time, there is the minor oversold area located on the blue line, on the green line at $4.8, where we could expect basically the market bouncing. At the same time, there's many other levels where things could bounce very aggressively, such as on the heavily oversold areas and the extreme phases on the red line from the lower cloud at 4.11 cents, around that range, down towards $4, and anything below $4 in the current instance would be an extreme oversold area, a good phase to consider very low leverage or spot trading possibility of entering. So that being said, this channel right now is obviously under a domination that is minor by the people selling and dumping, even though you can construct very nicely, and you will see basically how those the markets are reacting on the support line and push basically to break out of the resistance from the top. We have 3 confirmations from the top, just like 3 confirmations from the bottom side It all looks very smooth so far and very predictable, which is why we would like to see how does the market will react near to the lines. And it's good basically to touch some longs near to the support lines, just like be careful about the exits on the resistance lines. If we have a behavior towards the breakout, then you don't want to exit at a resistance line, even though the yellow median line at $5.33 of the cloud is appearing to be right there. That's a key level, right? So if we successfully break out of, there's a mixture, right? The resistance line of the trend that comes in, including the median line. Let's just get out of the whole thing, revisit the median line, and then fly basically into the structure of the golden pocket. This would be something extremely feasible, predictable, and that traders could control the whole movement of that. At the same time, I would say that BTC needs to be with us, needs to let the market to do its job along the way with the Ethereum. You cannot have Bitcoin crashing under the pressure of all sorts of regulatory problems and the Polkadot following that. So right now we did enter in a different phase of the market we're going through. We started with a bull rally, and this bull rally is currently in a flat pattern, which is part of a continuation of the rally. So nothing to be lack of confidence around or to be afraid that the market is completely out of the range. No, it is still on the great side of the things towards the upside, and we have beautiful probabilities for that. That's pretty much all on the video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel. At the same time, if you have questions, let me know in the comments area. For those of you that value education and believe by improving it, you can become a part-time or full-time trader, make extra money, and have a better type of resource. Check out the one-on-one coaching program directly with me. 4 weeks, up to 6 weeks intensively, we're going to work together on this. Just like for the completely done free trading that we have through API, trading permission on commission, no upfront fees. Looking forward to it. All the resources are in the description area and comments area. You can look forward to that. Have a good time.